Okay, welcome to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we're making steak again. Today we have some sirloin steak. Look how beautiful they look. So we will season them lightly and then we'll baste them with rosemary and butter. Then we'll finish it off with a nice onion sauce. So let's start seasoning this. We'll simply just salt both sides of the steak. Nice. We will add some black pepper, some coarse grinded black pepper. Now that this is all seasoned and ready to go, we'll put this aside. Now we can cut our onion, chop them. No specific shape. Good stuff. Now we just return this to our plate. Okay, now that's all chopped. The steak is all seasoned. Now let's move to frying this up. Now our skillet is warm. Let's put some olive oil and we can fry our steak. Now let's put our steak on it. Yeah. Alright, now let's give this a flip and see how it looks. Now we can add our butter to it, our garlic, and our rosemary also. Now we let that cook in the butter oil for a little while before we flip it. It's looking beautiful. Oh yes, the other side is seared nicely. Now let's rest our steak before we cut it. Now all this beautiful sauce with the rosemary, we can add our onion to it now. Oh yes, it's starting to brown. The flavor is being released. Oh, this is looking good and smelling great. Then we'll add some soy sauce. Now let's add a half cup of water to this and allow this to reduce. Then we have our beautiful sauce. Now our onion has caramelized slightly. We don't want to cook this until it's too soft. So now we can turn off the heat to this. Alright, now our steak looks good. Our sauce is ready. Now let's give this a try and see how this is. But first, we will have to take our steak and slice this thinly into strips. Nice. So it's medium well. I place that back in our plate. Nice. So we cut this up nicely. Then we get ourselves a spoon. Now with the spoon, we can scoop our sauce over our steak. Just lay it handsomely over everything with the rosemary. Now let's give this a try. Let's find our steak under all of this onion. Look at this. This is well cooked through. So this one is, I guess, a fusion East meets West type of steak recipe. So let's give this a try. The onion, garlic, rosemary adds so much flavor. And it's perfectly cut, so this goes very nicely over your fries or mashed potato, even your rice. Let me give this another try. Nice texture. Great to go with rice or even your mash. I think rice is better for this one. Or if you like, you can even have bread with this. Great. So that's our simple sirloin steak dish. Now if you like what you see today, remember to subscribe, hit our logo, and if you're a subscriber already, make sure you hit the bell button to be notified anytime we have a new video up and running. Thank you. Comment below if you tried this already, or let us know for future episodes. If anything you'd like to see on our show, you can always comment below. Thank you. See you next time. Bye now. Bon appetit.